Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to draw a 3D drawing, and for that I will be using these touch markers and color pencils. I am going to use these Prismacolor color pencils because these are 132 pencils, so I can use multiple shades. And I will use these markers to give a base layer first. I need only two markers, red and peach color, to give the base layer, and rest of the job will be done using color pencils. I will draw the outline using a light pink color, so let's sharpen it first. I am drawing the outline using grid method because in 3D drawings we need perfect outline. Now just watch this video till the end and let me know in comments what do you think about this drawing.